In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot 3D to turn 2D images into 3D models. This is a fantastic tool if you want to bring depth to your digital artwork or design projects. Let's dive in and explore how you can achieve this in just a few straightforward steps. First, make your way to the Copilot website. Ensure that your internet connection is stable for a smoother experience. If you're not sure about the URL, a quick search should land you on the right page. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your Microsoft account. Having an account ready will be essential, so if you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it. This step is crucial as it provides you with access to all the features Copilot has to offer. After successfully signing in, focus your attention on the sidebar or menu. Here, your goal is to find the section labeled Labs. This is where Copilot 3D resides among other experimental features. It's like digging for treasure because once you click on Labs, you'll have a plethora of creative tools at your fingertips. Once inside Labs, your mission is to locate Copilot 3D, which is your gateway to transforming 2D images. When you spot it, click on the Try Now button. This will open up a new world of possibilities and set you on your path to creating 3D magic. Next up is the image upload. Choose an image that you wish to transform from 2D to 3D. This step is fundamental, so consider the quality of the image you select, as it can influence the quality of the 3D output. Whether it's a JPEG or a PNG, make sure it's something you are excited to see in the third dimension. Click to upload the image when you're ready. Now, you will see an option like Create or something similar. Hit that button and let the technology work its wonders. This is where the magic happens. The process might take a moment, so it's a great time to relax and maybe think about how you'll use your new 3D model. The Copilot system is converting your flat image into a living dimensional model. Once the process is completed, you'll be able to preview your newly created 3D model. Take your time to pan, zoom, and rotate. This is your chance to admire your work from all angles. Depending on your specific needs, you can use this 3D model for various applications, be it in a presentation, animation, or just personal enjoyment. And there you have it. You've successfully transformed a 2D image into a 3D model using Copilot 3D. With practice, this process will become intuitive and you'll be able to convert on the fly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have fun creating your own 3D worlds.